Ghanaians were subjected to a disturbing video showing Mr. Sammy Gyamfi, the National Communication Officer of the ruling NDC, and the acting CEO of the Ghana Gold Board, casually doling out bundles of the United States dollar to a known controversial figure, evangelist Patricia Asiedua, aka Nana Agradaa. This display of financial recklessness is not only a betrayal of public trust, but a slap in the face of millions of Ghanaians currently grappling with the devastating effect of the cedi, inflation, and the unbearable cost of living. It is even more shameful that this act was committed by someone who has in the past championed populist rhetoric about economic discipline, cedi loyalty, and anti-corruption. Let us be clear, this is not an isolated moment of indiscretion. It is symptomatic of a broader culture of abuse, impunity, and moral decay in the hands of the NDC government. While businesses across the country are being suffocated by dollar shortages and an erratic exchange rate, a government official with access to state resources is seen splashing United States dollars. The cedi has shown signs of recovery, appreciating from 14.15 cedi to approximately 13.14 per dollar as at May 9, 2025. This incident undermines efforts to stabilize our economy. The casual distribution of foreign currency by a high-ranking official sends a message of indifference to the struggle of ordinary Ghanaians. And what has the government has to say? Absolutely nothing. So far, there's a definite silence. There has been silence from the presidency, no reprimand from the Minister of Finance, and no action from the Office of the President or the National Security Secretariat. It appears the action of Mr. Sammy Gyamfi has a quiet blessing of the regime that has long abandoned people's interests for personal gains. As a minority, we owe it to the people of Ghana. It is ridiculous to suggest that Mr. Sammy Gyamfi did no wrong with the opulence and naked betrayal of public mandate. The president recently launched the Code of Conduct for appointees, which requires them to place the national interest above personal interest, eschew opulence, and be accountable for the use of public funds, among others. Sammy Gyamfi has reaped this requirement of him by the president. God has a way of testing the integrity and faith of men. The integrity and faith of the president, John Dramani Mahama, on or in his own rules, have been put to the test. It is a watershed moment for him to keep true to his words. Ladies and gentlemen, aside from the Code of Conduct for appointees, other financial and monetary laws have been challenged by the actions of Mr. Sammy Gyamfi. The foreign exchange